Do you like this planet we live on? The pretty green grass, the beautiful blue skies, and all the majestic animals running around? Well, if you do, I'm sure you'd like to keep it that way for future years to come. One day, we all plan to have kids and grandkids, so we should have a beautiful, healthy environment for them to live in. We should teach them to teach their kids how to keep this planet beautiful and healthy for the oncoming generations of kids and animals to come. Today, I would like to inform you about some very important information about recycling paper, plastic, and glass. Recycling has always been around, but slowly people stopped doing it. Paper is used all day, every day, all around the world. According to timetorecycle.org, to produce each week's Sunday paper, 500,000 trees need to be cut down. If we were to recycle every single one of our newspapers, 250 million trees can be saved each year. In the mid-60s, Girl Scouts and Boy Scouts used to collect old newspapers and recycle them and collect money for fundraisers. When you go to the dump and you get a whiff of that awful smell, that's paper mixed in with all the trash. If the paper was recycled, then the dump wouldn't have that awful stench to it. Think of all the paper you have thrown away in your life between all your years at school and work. How many trees have you cut down just by yourself? Plastic is the second most used thing that's not recycled. Americans use 2 million plastic water bottles every hour. 250,000 of them are thrown into the trash. All the plastic that is thrown into the ocean kills many innocent sea creatures every year. The ones that does not kill, the plastic stuck around their bodies or their limbs harms them. Seeing a sea turtle shaped like an hourglass because a piece of plastic is stuck around the middle of its body while it's growing is an awful sight. According to FactRetriever.com, 1 million seabirds die each year from ocean pollution. So it's not just the sea creatures being harmed, it's also the sea animals flying around. Recycling glass is the last thing I would like to talk to you about. A simple glass bottle takes more than 4,000 years to decompose, and even longer if it's in a landfill. The energy saved from recycling one glass bottle can run a 100-watt light bulb for 4 hours. It also 20% less air pollution and 50% less water pollution rather than creating a new glass bottle from scratch. Think about all the glass that you have thrown away in your lifetime between broken glass and non-broken glass, or just glass you didn't use anymore so you tossed it, rather than selling it at a garage sale or sending it off to a friend for free. Now that you have all the facts about recycling, I would like to talk to you about stuff you can do. My class members told me that they all recycle, and they think it's a good thing to continue to do. So I have about 20 people helping the world right now, along with me. Things that you can do at home and to help the environment: have 3 bins set up in your household, labeled paper, plastic, and glass, and use them appropriately, and teach your kids how to use them appropriately and send it to the oncoming generations. Tell their friends, tell the teachers, and she can also send a note home and get other families to start doing it. When you're in public and you see someone throwing a recyclable into the trash, stop them, correct them, and have them thrown in the proper garbage can or the proper recycling bin, and let them know how bad it really is for the environment and how much harm they are causing to this planet. Reuse your plastic water bottles. Reuse them, reuse them, reuse them. Use them till you can't use them anymore, because as soon as you throw them away, the world has to create another one, and then it's just causing more pollution for this world. Reuse your plastic garbage bags. When you come home from Walmart or Gordy's and you have all those bags left, don't throw them away. Put them in a little baggie and put them under your cupboard. So you can use them for garbage bags all around your house, for the bathrooms and the bedrooms. And if you're wrapping presents and you have a box and the present is just not big enough for the box, shove some plastic bags in there. Don't use the nice, pretty paper stuff. Use plastic bags. And then the next family can use those bags for their house or for presents, and the cycle will just continue going on. Inform your family, friends, and community members about how bad not recycling is for the world. Set up a community day once a month where everyone goes along the roads and picks up all the trash. Maybe other communities will start doing this too. And then a new trend will start and other communities will doing it too. It's a nice giant cycle of helping this planet. Do Earth Day all year round. Don't do it one day a year. If you see garbage laying alongside the ditch or in the hallway at school or at the mall, pick it up, throw it away. Save the janitor's time and do a nice gesture for the world. These few steps make a huge difference in your community and in your world. In closing, recycling will reduce the waste that Americans create each year. By recycling paper, plastic, and glass, you will have less waste laying around the world waiting to harm the environment and animals. If you like a safe place for your kids and grandkids one day, do something good for them and recycle. Thank you.